Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to smarthome. Today we have a super practical topic on the agenda: how to empty a Dyson vacuum. Now, we all love our Dyson vacuums for their powerful cleaning abilities, but knowing how to properly empty them is equally important. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your tools. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll want to have your Dyson vacuum, a trash bag, and a cleaning cloth handy. Step 2. Power off the vacuum. Before you do anything, make sure to turn off your Dyson vacuum and unplug it from the power source. Safety first, right? Step 3. Locate the bin release button. Next, take a look at the bin of your Dyson vacuum. You'll notice a bin release button. It's usually colored and easily noticeable. Press this button to release the bin from the vacuum. Step 4. Hold over a trash bag. Once the bin is released, hold it over a trash bag. This ensures that any dust or debris that falls out doesn't end up on your clean floor. Step 5. Open the bin lid. Now, most Dyson vacuums have a lid that covers the bottom of the bin. Open this lid to allow the contents to empty into the trash bag. Step 6. Tap or shake gently. If there's any stubborn debris stuck inside the bin, give it a gentle tap or shake. This will help dislodge any remaining dirt. Step 7. Wipe clean. Take a moment to wipe the inside of the bin with a cleaning cloth. This helps remove any residual dust and keeps your vacuum in top-notch condition. Step 8. Close bin lid and reattach. Close the bin lid securely and reattach it to the vacuum until you hear a click. This ensures it's properly secured. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, a quick and easy guide on how to empty a Dyson vacuum. Remember to regularly empty the bin to maintain optimal performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning.